This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, October 29, 2018. This one I gotta go change a boiler for a friend of mine. This boiler got red tagged last week, and I went over there and he said he just wants to change it. So I guess he's got throat cancer and the guy's not doing well. So I know the guy well. So he's got one of them talking machines type of thing. So it sounds a little funny when he talks. He's got one of them vibrating talking machines. So that's what happens when you smoke your whole life. I mean, not good. But anyway, I'm going there. Left the dog at home because I'm going to be there all day, and I'd rather leave her in the heated house than in the truck. She's still kind of small. But anyway, I'll try to get you some shots. It's a gas boiler replacement going into a B-vent type of thing. So I'm just going to take what's there out, and we'll go back with a little peerless gas boiler into the chimney. So I'll try to get you some shots. There it is right there. It's red tagged. It's coming out. I'll probably move it. I'll move it over a little bit because the control's on the side. Alright guys, let's take a look inside this thing. It's not all full of soot, but it's not clean either. So it's pretty gnarly. Smoke pipe's clear. Well, that's good. I did take the expansion tank down. It was full of water. Look where they put the purge station. Above the boiler. And it's 3/4, then they increased to 1 inch. So I'm just going to drop down 3/4 and put the purge station down low here where I can access it. I will leave that there. So it's just a 3/4 loop in and out. So I'll put a new tank in there, new high vent. I'll drop that 3/4 down with a purge valve down low here. I'll make my own purge station. And get a couple of blocks, regular blocks. He had some really high blocks there. I'm not going to use those. Yeah, this thing's there you go. All ready to go. Ready to get out of here. Let me do my thing. Let me cut that out and drop that 3/4 down. It'll be a lot better. I don't like to have purge valves above the boiler way up there. How am I going to get to that thing? Crazy. Alright guys, I got it all together. I moved it over this way here so I got room to get in the back here. There's the control and everything's on this side. I put a new expansion tank, a new high vent. And I put the circulator on a supply. I'm going to make sure you put the arrow going the proper way. Couple of elbows here. 3 elbows and tied in the supply. The return I came down. It's just 3/4. Came down with 245s to a purge station. And I put the water feeder below the purge station. Now you can either put it on the supply or the return, but if you put it on the return, it's going to be below the purge station. Boiler drain. Controls here. Relief valves off the back. I'm ready to purge the air out of it. It's just one zone. After that, we'll fire it up and do a combustion test on it, make sure it's okay.
going up and out. There's no door here. Just give it a good purge. It don't look bad. It came out okay. Oh yeah, electrician put a hardwired carbon monoxide detector, and he ran the electrical on that side. I ended up bringing the gas down on this side. Union T into the unit. The smoke pipe T still okay. You know, if we get a real hard rain, sometimes it might get a little wet, you know. But it's not rotted or nothing, so. We'll fire it up and do a combustion test on it, make sure it's safe. There's room to get by here. They gotta get behind there to get their stuff from the cabinets. We'll fire it up. Houston, we have ignition. Check the combustion on it. I gotta start the water heater up too, because I did shut that off, the gas. Here we go, atmospheric gas burners. That's what we want to see. Oxygen between 4 and 9. 184. Carbon dioxide 6.5 and 8% or 7. 19. Really, what I look for is the ppms on the carbon monoxide. Make sure that that's not rising. We're fine right there, 23. That's fine. That's good combustion right there. I did check this chimney wasn't blocked too, so. Thing's a little underfired, but we're fine with that. I mean, it's only a 3/4 loop. I could have went with a 3-section boiler actually. Would have been fine here. We're good right there. See, you gotta watch them ppms, they don't rise on you. Carbon monoxide, you get issues. Alright guys, that's it. New boiler and a combustion test. I just have to come back and meet the inspector. Call him in a couple of days or something, get him over here. Give it the blessing.
give it the full blessing.